At Solar PV Panels Ireland, we're bringing clean, sustainable energy to homes and businesses across Offaly. Meet Joe. His dedicated local team is passionate about helping your community slash their energy bills. With our systems, you don't just save money, you increase your property value. We install only the best glass panels and world-class battery systems designed to perform, even on those typical cloudy Irish days. Plus, we offer seamless EV charger installations. Our process is stress-free. From the initial site survey and custom design to the final expert installation, we handle every detail. We even work with independent BER assessors to ensure your home's new efficiency is accurately certified. We'll also help you navigate SEAI grants. We are the trusted choice for homes and businesses all across Offaly, serving every corner of the county. With over 75-star reviews, our reputation for neat, professional and reliable work speaks for itself. Ready to start your solar journey? Visit solarpvpanelsireland.ie to book your free quote today.